Welcome to my channel Perfect World. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's start the first topic. When taking a picture, squint your eyes to make your smile look much more genuine. Number 2. Heavy sleeper? Tired of snoozing past your alarm? Use the smartphone in a cup trick to crank the volume. Number 3. Adding a teaspoon of baking soda when you boil eggs and the shell will come off easily. Number 4. Pinching the end of a banana is a far easier way to open it. Number 5. Transform your travel photos completely. Delete tourist from your travel photo. Number 6. Take a peek at people's feet when they're talking to you. If their feet are pointed away from you, the person you are talking to wants the conversation to end. Number 7. How to waterproof your shoes. Use beeswax on your shoes. Number 8. How to find the hole in your tire. If you are losing air in your tire, but can't find a nail/screw/hole, fill your tire full of air, take off your tire and get some dish soap and water. Bubbles will develop wherever there is a leak. If the hole is in the middle of the tire, like seen here, you can get it repaired for a few dollars. If it's on the side walls, you're not so lucky. Number 9. Use a bowl lightly coated with oil to swat at mosquito with. It is a magic. Number 10. $2 Michael Crafts phone stand. Yeah, this $2 Michael Crafts phone stand. Number 11. When ironing a button-up shirt, flip it inside out to easily iron over the button side. Number 12. The right way to make cookies in the summer. Yes, you can do this. Is a science. Heat science. Number 13. Put a small amount of water in a glass when you microwave your pizza to keep the crust from getting chewy. Number 14. Perfectly cut cherry tomatoes all at once with the help of 2 plates. You can do that easily. Number 15. Unclog drains without expensive chemicals. Pour a half a cup of baking soda and a cup of vinegar into a clogged drain. Once it stops foaming, rinse down the sink and your drains will be clear. A cheap and environmentally friendly way to unclog a sink. Number 16. To avoid crying over your onions, peel and chop the ends off. Soak in cold water for 30 seconds. You'll dice without tears. Number 17. Marker stains? Not to worry. Remove permanent marker from everything: cloths, walls, wood and carpet, etc. Number 18. Bounce batteries to see if they're good or bad. Drop them on a table from about 6 inches. If they give one small bounce and fall right over, they're good. If they bounced around any more than that, they're dead or on the way out. Number 19. When traveling, keep a bar of scented soap in the same compartment as your dirty laundry. It will keep your clothes smelling clean. Number 20. No more rising straws in your drink. Put your straw through the tab to keep it from rising out of your drink. Number 21. Don't burn yourself in those hard-to-reach candles. Light a stick of spaghetti and light the wick with that. Number 22. Can openers can easily cut through tough plastic containers or envelopes. Use a can opener to open blister packs and avoid cutting yourself. Number 23. Get those crunchy taco shells. For crunchy taco shells, turn your muffin pans upside down. Spray with cooking oil and bake tortillas for approximately 10 minutes at 375 degrees. Number 24. Tumble dry shoes without ruining them. It is better way. Number 25. Poke a hole in your coffee cup lid for unrestricted caffeine intake. Number 26. Take out your tomato paste from the can without messing up. Number 27. First open one side of the can, second flip the can over and open the other side. Don't worry, it doesn't make a mess. Third step is push out the tomato paste like a push-up pop, and last step is eventually the entire tube pushes out and you just pick off the top of the can. Number 27. If you press each elevator button twice, will it counteract the press all the buttons? Yes, press all the button. Number 28. Your new iPhone home entertainment system. Make disco environment with your iPhone. Number 29. Putting your phone in airplane mode will stop ads while you play. Number 30. Target shopper's dream come true. Yes, Target shopper's dream come true. Every Target shopper need to know if the price ends in 8 it will be marked down again, if ends in a 4 it is the lowest it will be. Number 31. Fix a blurry phone camera. Use transparent/glossy tape over a smartphone camera lens to help focusing blurry lens flare issues and improve image quality. Number 32. Take a sip of water after drinking coffee, soda, or sugary beverage to keep your teeth white and prevent tooth decay. Number 33. Take the annoying silver of soap from an almost used up bar and stick it onto a new bar. Number 34. Drink tons of apple juice before go to bed. A chemical compound in the juice will help you to have vivid awesome dreams. Number 35. Create your own LED light. Water and bleach in bottle of Coke was fitted on the roof. It reflects and refracts sunlight and is equal to 55 watts. Number 36. Reflect back your Wi-Fi signals using an aluminium-wrapped cardboard sheet, if your router faces the wall. Number 37. Use a clothespin to hold a nail whilst hammering. Number 38. Use a muffin tin to serve condiments at a barbecue. It will also help you cut down on dishwashing. Number 39. No more dinged up furniture. Rub a walnut on damaged wooden furniture to cover up dings. Number 40. When throwing a frisbee, use the same arm motion as if you were whipping a towel. This will ensure a straight throw. Number 41. Try to notice someone's eye color when you meet them. People will like you more for the slightly increased eye contact. Number 42. Illuminate your floor steps to protect you from falling during night. Have a set of outdoor steps that are hard to see at night. Get some 99-cent solar yard lights from Walmart, attach them to the sides of the steps with 1 1/4 inch mug hooks. Number 43. Pack like a genius. Pack your shirt like as genius and easily take away. Number 44. Make extra space in your kitchen cabinets. Use your wide cub bed for hanging your crockery. Number 45. Ruining low on battery? Put your phone on airplane mode and it will charge much faster. Number 46. For the shiniest of car headlights. Use toothpaste to clean hazy car headlights. Number 47. Put coffee in a nice tray so when you make a nice coffee it doesn't get watered down. Number 48. Your own tiny barbecue. Drink can and barbecue. Make a tiny barbecue from a drink can for those instant hunger pangs. Number 49. Use a pillowcase from a sheet set to keep the rest of the sheets in. Bam! Organized linens. Number 50. Separate that yolk like a pro. Suavely separate with help of bottle. Number 51. Run the razor across old jeans to resharpen and extend its life. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.